friends, welcome to my third Microsoft Word tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set the margin in Microsoft Word document. Margins are the white areas surrounding our printed text. And as we'll see, they're also referred to as the text boundaries. At times, it can be very useful to see the outline of our margins on the screen. There are several ways to view our document margin. Here is one of the ways. The first thing to do is go to the File tab, which is on top, the first tab of the page. Then right down here, I'm going to choose Print. And that's going to show me my print preview. On my print preview, you can see that we're looking at the 2 pages document here. And the second page is very little. So to save the page, I want to put all the text together in one page. So where do I go? I'll go to the margin setting. That is right over here at the second last. Click on it, and you will see that the normal margins are currently set. To save the paper, now I'm going to change my margin to narrow. And here it is. All the texts are in one page. As you can see, there are different options to change the margin. And if you don't want this option, you can go to the custom margin, which is down here, and set your own desired margin. And then you have to click OK. And the other way to change the margin is, you can go back here, go to the Layout tab under Page Setup, and here there is Margin. The only difference from the previous example is that you cannot see your page preview. So this is how you change your margin in Word document. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video for more Microsoft Word tutorial.